Recent discussion topics have had Classic Blast asking me to talk about the night of New Year's Eve going into New Year's of 99 going into 2000. And of course, at that point, everybody was panicked about the Y2K scare. I don't think people that really knew what was going on were afraid, but a handful of alarmists got a lot of people frightened, and a few people were up in an uproar. The people at the power company really could have had the fun because they could have flipped the switch. Oh, only kidding. About 15 seconds, not even. That would have caused some heart attacks, though. But a lot of the things at the railroad are regulated by schedules and by times and by computers. And, well, the people who operate those machinery and who set those codes, they weren't really afraid that it would be a problem. But if they didn't take some measures, there could have been. So people on my crew, me, for example, I was driving a bucket truck with about 5 guys ready, and we were checking various generators in a span of about 150-mile radius. By the time our work shift ended, it was almost a double shift. It wasn't quite a double shift. It's about a 12-hour shift instead of an 8 or 16-hour. So it was like a day and a half. And, and of course, we had to check each and every generator at every stop to make sure that they were still on the up and up in the event that anybody had a loss of power and that the fact that the Y2K could really mess them up. And of course it didn't, and everything was fine, but I didn't in those days have enough seniority to be off on holidays at all, so I was there.